My toilet won't stop running. There's something wrong with the flapper, so I have to change it out. So the first thing I did was I looked at my toilet here, saw the name Sterling. Then I looked here and I noticed that it said Kohler, like the brand name. Then I looked here and noticed that it said 1.28 GPF or 4.8 LPF, that's gallons per flush. Since the name Kohler is familiar to me, I went to Amazon and typed in Kohler Sterling Flapper. Those are the two names I saw on the toilet. So the first thing that comes up is this kit here, which I noticed looks exactly like the flapper in my own toilet. So I ordered one and got it the next day. Shouldn't be too difficult. So this one looks exactly the same. It's got some connectors here and a little float. So obviously first thing to do is turn the water off and flush the toilet, let the water drain out. So first I need to unattach it from this lever here. Not hard. And these clips, they look like they just bend up and snap. They snap into place. So I'm just gonna try to, there, get them to unsnap. Easy enough. So I don't know if you can see, but what I figured out was this side here is curving up. So it wasn't sealing very well. It's got a little wave to it. So it was letting water pass through, thereby allowing the toilet to continue running. So all I'm gonna do is just take the new one. I should be able to just snap it back in place. And then connect this back. There we go. So test it out. So let's turn the water back on and see if it works.
Excellent.
Alright, so I've never done that before. It's my first time ever. So what you saw was the first time. So I promise you I've never done it before. It was easy enough to do. So if I can do it, surely you can do it. Instead of paying for a plumber to come fix the problem. And this thing was only, this thing right here that I bought. You know, it said Sterling on it, which is what I saw on the toilet. And it's a genuine, and it says Kohler on it. So I made sure to find the one that said Kohler, which is what it said on the inside of the tank. So it was only like $7.50 or $8. So I saved myself a lot of money by doing it myself. See you next time. Bye.